Let's go to Louisiana. See what's going on with the board.
Are Mr. Chuck Tillis and Ms. Jerry Ledoux will be joining us by Zoom. I'm located at DOC headquarters staff. Will you please introduce yourself for the record?
Jason Thompson.
Dennis Cavalier.
Carla Williams.
Okay. Today, our remote location is Point Capee Parish Jail. Is there any staff in the room? And if so, will they please introduce themselves? Any staff in the room? Can you hear me, sir? Yes. Will you please?
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can. Yes.
Corporal Frank here with the Point Capee Parish Sheriff's Office.
All right. All right. Mr. Cavalier, will you please introduce yourself for the record, please?
Kyle Drew Cavalier,
And your DOC number?
773-424.
Okay. Do you have a questionnaire that they gave you and that you signed?
Now,
All right. Let's see. It says that, well, according to this, you're not eligible for appointed counsel. And do you want to proceed without counsel?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. All right. The lead person has been assigned to your case is myself, and I will review your violations, and you may answer guilty or not guilty with or without a statement. Today, you're going to have in opposition Michael Conrad from the Point Capee Sheriff's Office, and he's going to speak also. All right, so you're get to you. Here we go. Okay. You're going to answer guilty or not guilty, okay, with or without a statement. First of all, number 4, you were involved in criminal activity on 10/21/2025 through the commission of the offense of battery of a police officer while being taken into custody by the Point Capee Sheriff's Office. You were being taken into custody on an active bench warrant issued by the 18th JDC due to failure to appear to a pending misdemeanor charge. You were booked into the Point Capee Detention Center on 10/21/2025. You were arraigned on 12/16/2025 before Judge Kimball of the 18th JDC in Point Capee Parish. You were billed with 2 counts of battery on a police officer in which you were sentenced to serve 6 months on each count consecutively with credit for time served for the date of arrest. All other pending charges in Point Capee were not processed this date. Do you plead guilty or not guilty?
Not guilty.
All right. Do you have a statement about that?
No, ma'am.
Just that you didn't do it. Okay. The second one is number 10. You failed to submit payments towards your supervision's fees and are currently in arrears of the amount of $504. Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
Okay. All right. At this point, we're going to have opposition speak. It would be Michael Conrad from the Point Capee Sheriff's Office.
You can just go to the podium. Mike. Yeah, that.
Okay. How do you do, sir?
I'm fine. You?
Fine. You go ahead and tell us what happened.
Okay, so the night of this incident, we were actually looking for his other charges and warrants. He happened to be at the residence and was found to have a warrant for his arrest as well. So he was taken into custody as soon as he was taken into custody, immediately, began just acting off cussing, hollering, threatening. Once he was forced into the control unit, almost had to be drugged into the control unit. He was so irate, cussing, yelling, spitting all over the place. I warned him, I believe, twice. If I'd have had looked, and I know it's out of their control, but if I'd had a little bit more better, earlier of a notice, I could have got the body camera footage as well. But I warned him twice about the spitting,
Mhm.
and he continued. And that's what he was charged. That's why he was charged with that. He was, he had that warrant, due to, that failure to appear. I think that was for theft, and just previously, just a month or two earlier from that, he ran from us, from a traffic stop. He bailed out of the car, and had to be, tracked down and called as well.
Okay. All right. So, that concludes your statement, sir.
Yeah, I mean, if I can get my opinion, I mean, it's a nuisance to the community. He's always been, towards law enforcement, non-compliant, in and out of trouble, in and out of jail, no respect for nothing. Family covers up whereabouts and stuff when he had been looked for. I just, think you should sit where he's at in his time zone.
Mhm. Okay, thank you for coming today, sir. So at this time, we're gonna take questions, from the board members. And, Ms. Ledoux is on Zoom, so I'm gonna go ahead and start off with her and see if she has any questions.
No, I recognize he has been charged and sentenced for those misdemeanor crimes. So,
All right, and Mr. Phillips,
Mr. Cowell, were you on drugs at the time?
Yes, sir.
You were using drugs? Okay. And what got me was you pled not guilty to condition number 4, so, and you don't want to elaborate on it?
I really don't know what happened. That's why I pled not guilty.
Oh, okay, I see. All right. I have no more questions.
okay. I don't have any questions. Like you said, you pled not guilty because you couldn't remember because you were on drugs, so you already violated. You just admitted to violating, your parole. You're not supposed to do any kind of illegal drugs or, so, is everyone ready to vote?
I am.
Ms. Ledoux?
yes.
Okay. I'm the lead on this investigation, so, I'm gonna vote, to, revoke your parole. And the reasons is because, you had an active warrant against you, so you'd already broken the law. The battery on the police officer also, and then you just now admitted to, partaking in, illegal drugs. Next. Ms. Ledoux?
Yes, my vote is to revoke based on non-compliance with conditions of parole and that he was sentenced for misdemeanor crimes.
Okay, and Mr.
My vote also is to concur with my colleagues.
Okay, so, you've been revoked today, sir, and the time is 9:01.
All right, can I ask a question?
No, you may not. All right, revoked to the surprise of nobody, I would suppose. Hey, thanks for watching this clip from TCF Live. If you enjoyed it, please leave a comment, like, and subscribe if you haven't already. And you can join us weekdays live, 9 a.m. Eastern, 6 a.m. Pacific, right here on this channel.